Yeah guys, so finish wash my rice and I'll see my rice in my pot. I go light up my stove guys. I'm gonna see what go on in the kitchen. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen this evening. Some rice, yeah, some white rice with corned beef, mixed vegetable and sausages guys. Guys, watch your badness. Be a badness in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, see badness so I go on in the kitchen. I'm a mixed vegetable, my sausages, and my corned beef guys. Be a badness. See my rice pan fire guys, so what am I gonna do? I go light up the next part of stove and fry up me sausages and my corned beef and my mixed vegetable guys. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so cut up some ground season for me corned beef and my mixed vegetable and my sausages guys. I'll be a badness guys, so watch your badness in the kitchen guys. As you can see over here so guys, my rice a cook. You understand me I lead? Water start to hot guys. Guys, I be a badness some bad white rice, corned beef, mixed vegetable and sausages guys. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so light up the next side of the stove. So I go on. Yeah, be a badness guys. Some bad corned beef, mixed vegetable and sausages guys. Guys, see them over here so. Yeah guys, be a badness. Just watch your badness in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, so oil in a pot. Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen guys. Watch out going over this. Yeah guys, be a badness. Guys, watch your badness, guys, watch your badness. So I go on over here, so rice I go and steam out over this, so guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen. Be a badness in the kitchen, guys. I'm make my rice go and steam out, guys. Yeah, be a badness, guys.